Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Faizan and today's date is 8 February 2024 and today's my non-technical topic is plastic pollution. Firstly, what is a pollution? Pollution means the introduction to harmful material into the environment and these harmful materials are called as pollutants. There are many types of pollutions and plastic is a one of them pollutions. I will discuss about plastic pollutions. Firstly, plastic pollution is a very dangerous for humans or animals health because plastic pollution is equally harmful as the other pollutions like air pollutions, water pollutions, and as well as noise pollution. Next is plastic pollutions happens when the plastic materials ends up in a pieces where they don't belong to the like oceans, river or the land. Firstly, imagine throwing away a plastic bottle instead of recycling it. Means it that bottle isn't disposed of the property. It might be up floating in a oceans where it can be harm and marine animals and the environment of the our culture. Next is plastic pollution is a big problem because plastic doesn't break down easily. It is stick around for a long time for the causing damage to the ecosystem and wildlife, and as well as it like a living mess that's hard to clean up and can hurt living things. It is the one of the disadvantage of the plastic pollution. Next is types of plastic. There are different types of plastic like water bottles, bags, packaging, and more. These items are often used once and then thrown away. This adding to the pollution problem. Then I will discuss impact of plastic pollutions on wildlife. Firstly, animals both on the land and in the ocean can mistake plastic for food or become engulf it and then can is lead to injury for the animals and even death for the many species including fish and mammals. Next is microplastic. Over time, larger plastic item break down into the uh, microplastic. These are the item than the 5 millimeters size and can be ingested by the animals and even enter the food chain and is possessing risk of the human health as well as mammals. Next is environmental damages. Plastic pollutions not only humans wildlife, it also damage the ecosystem or environment. Next is plastic waste. Plastic waste can disturb habit and other chemistry of the soil and the water and introduce the toxin into the environment. It is one of the disadvantages of the plastic materials. Next is global issues. Plastic pollution in a worldwide problem. It's not just about littering in a one area. Plastic can travel long distances through a water or a wind. It's affecting even the remote region, and it's on the island. Next is uh, longevity. One of the biggest challenges with the plastic pollution is that the most plastic take hundreds of even thousands of years to dispose it fully, and it is the one of the biggest disadvantage of the using of the plastic. And next is it's the plastic pollution here is harmful for the mammals. And next is we can reducing plastic pollution for the requires the efforts from the individual and communities and businesses. It is overall about the plastic pollution. Thank you.